everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas Day 13. Thank you all for patiently waiting. Today's video is going to be two things. I'm going to go over this month's Glossybox and kind of make that decision on what I'm going to do about Glossybox, and I'm going to announce the winner to my giveaway. I apologize this didn't come out yesterday. We had a Christmas party yesterday and I just got a little over my head. I even released my Vlogmas Day 12 video like super duper duper late, like at midnight-ish, because yeah, and I had pre-recorded that, so that tells you the kind of day. And then we got up at 4 this morning. My son had surgery this morning, and he did well, but there was lots of puking after the surgery and a very grumpy baby for part of the day. So it is now late in the afternoon. Finally got the children down, and it's time to do my video. So I just wanted to show you guys my awesome ugly sweater. Our theme for our party was ugly sweater. And my husband picked up this gem. I actually really love it. It is truly awful. It says OMG Santa, and then it says I know him. It's an elf reference. Best part, listen.
Oh my God! Santa here? I know him.
Yeah. This wins ugly sweater contests. All right, let's dig into this, and at the end I will quickly announce the winner. I'll try to not make this video too long so you guys don't have to sit in anticipation. So just a little background. Glossybox last month sent me the wrong box. I did not get the November box. I got the Memorial Pacific box, which was a limited edition box. I will post that video up above. It was a really good box. I was actually not upset that they screwed up and they gave me a more expensive, nicer box, so I didn't say anything. Then I ordered the special edition holiday box because it looked really awesome and I was so excited. And I got to the mascara and my box was empty. So I was very upset, even though the box was still a good box, and I reached out to them. I'm going to post that video there. I reached out to them. They got back to me within 2 days. They said we can do one of two options. We can send you out the mascara again. It'll take 2 to 3 weeks, or we can give you a credit for, I think it was like $8. And I said, you know what? I really do want to try this mascara. Go ahead and send it out to me. So hopefully by my next you know, month's worth of boxes, I'll be able to say yes, they sent me it, or no, they didn't. But let's get into this. I have, I like to say this if I get and remember to, I have the December variation number 3. This box is beautiful and very holiday feeling to me. It's got this holographic. This is going to make a great little box to give away. I love their boxes. They do a wonderful job just making boxes. A lot of times it's just their plain pink ones, but this one feels very Christmassy to me. They did on top have this wine voucher for $100. I probably will not use it. After a party, everybody brought gifts of wine and beer, and we have so much liquor that I'm not going to get through. But they did put this in here, and you're supposed to spend at least $160 and you get $100 off, so that's pretty cool. I did already sneak a peek at this, so just a fair warning. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So let's get into it. So the inside has this beautiful holographic. I'm really digging this box this time. And this is what it looks like inside. I tried to tie the bow back. It didn't do such a good job. This, I remember, I think it was in my first box I got. It was a February of last year box. They had actually one of these cards in here. This is the Velvet for Glossybox, Velvet Style Box Shop by Face Shape. Oh, no, this is a little different. They had it like an eyeglasses one. Visit www.velveteyewear.com, but then they have a style box. I wonder if this is the same eyeglasses that it was last time. I suspect it is, but it's $85, and it says it can be applied to any style box on the website, and shipping is free. So I'm going to check this out and see if it's worth it. I hadn't had a chance to Google to see. The last one I didn't take advantage of because the glasses were like $200–300, and I don't wear glasses. I got LASIK years ago. But I will check it out, and I'll try to leave a comment below to let you guys know. So they always wrap it up really beautifully. You guys, if you've been watching me for a while, you know this. And then usually their first thing has like a little blurb about what they were going to talk about. This one says there's 5 bull products. I'll give you my thoughts on that. And then a quick handout of description of everything. So I'm going to keep this open to the side. The theming of this box, though, is really beautiful, and I do really appreciate that. So let me just show you guys. My box looks a little haphazard because I did kind of open it up real quickly and look at everything. So this is what it looks like inside. And we'll go over this product first. So this product, interestingly enough, has the little Glossybox symbol. And this is it says Krylon for Glossybox, highlighter in cashmere. I don't know if you guys can read that there. It's not going to read it real well. This is 4.5 grams. They said that this is a featured full size. I don't know if this is really full size. For a liquid highlighter, this is not that off of another one that I currently use. I've never heard of this brand, Krylon. If anyone has, let me know. But this is $19.50. So this is a lightweight cream that is supposed to be put on like lips, cheeks. Basically, it's a liquid highlighter. This is what it looks like. So it looks a little more shimmery in the video. It looks more like just a cream. It is very like soft. The other cream one I have is more like a oily feel. This one just feels like cream. That's what it looks like. So it is really pretty. This is more of a natural highlight. This is actually something that I really gravitate towards, and I have one that I got in my FabFitFun add-on sale ages ago, and I can't think of the name of it, and I use it like nonstop. It does not have a smell, but it just does a really pretty shimmer. For the winter time when my skin is dry, I actually really like these types of products. Now, do I think this is worth $19.50? I don't know. I don't think so. But I do really like this. So this, yay. All right. Next product here is another full-size product per the thing. This is Luna by Luna translucent powder, and it is 5 grams, and it is $22. I have gotten their products in Ipsy, and I generally like their products. I don't think I've ever gotten their translucent powder, and the irony is I was talking about needing powders because of my Becca powder being kind of out of date and not working anymore, and I just got the Pretty Vulgar powder, and now we get this powder. So this is what it looks like. It's got a cute little thing here, and then I'm not going to open this up since I opened up my Pretty Vulgar one, but I'll set this one to the side. But yeah, this is more of a translucent, like white look. I don't know if this is going to have a lot of flashback. I'd be curious, has anyone ever used this brand of translucent powder? I will have to say I like their eyeshadows. So yeah, it just says it helps set your foundation. We all know that. All right, so that is that. Again, very happy with that. Good Glossybox. All right, this one, I saw this in the spoilers and I just was so excited. Packaging, holographic, fits very much in the theme of this box. The brand, Becca. You go, Glossybox. You got a big name product in a brand that I kind of know. I feel like we get a lot of like brands that you just don't know in Glossybox. So this is exciting. It's Becca, and it is a Becca lip gloss. And this is in the color, let me see, Citron Apricot. And you can't even read it. This thing is so holographic. But I have been seeing these all over the place, and I have wanted to try them, and I just have not wanted to spend the money on it. $22 is this. This is full size. This is completely full size. That's what the packaging looks like. And this is just a beautiful color. This is a color I would actually go out and purchase myself. So it is a lip gloss with a little bit of a peachy pinky, slightly orange undertone. It doesn't even show up on the camera. Glittery lip gloss. This is like the lip gloss that I gravitate towards. It is just beautiful. It has a nice like cookie scent almost. It's thick but not sticky or tacky. And even though it has glitter in it, it doesn't feel super gritty. So I am so excited about this. This alone makes my box, because I think after discounts and everything, my box ends up only costing me like $19 a month. So you can put this on top of lipsticks, or you can wear it alone. And it's supposed to have vitamin E, coconut oil, and olive oil. Oh, it says it's a coconut vanilla scent. It smells like cookies to me, but this is hands down awesome. Like, awesome. Everything about this. I'm just so excited about this. I have, if you guys like been watching my videos, you know how disappointed I am recently. All right, next product here is a Jafra Luxury Lipstick. Now, I've never used any of their makeup products, but I did do, so CrowdTap, if you guys have never heard of that, is a place that you can like fill out questionnaires, and occasionally they have campaigns where you can try free stuff, and they send you out stuff and you like try it, and then you send pictures back or you answer questions, and it's generally not on social media. It's generally like internal stuff. Well, maybe a year ago, I had never heard of Jafra, but I got put on a campaign to try out their Royal Jelly skincare line, and I was super excited. This is partially when I started my whole YouTube channel skincare thing, and I started that daily regimen. And anyway, I do really like their products. They are pricey. They're more on that like you have to know somebody kind of thing where you buy it and from them. But anyway, really, really nice stuff. So I was actually excited about this. Now, I'm not as excited about the color. It is a red color, and this is in the color Victoria, but I can work with that. So it's a red color here with a more pinky undertone. So this one here is full size. It's $14. I would believe that. Their products are pricey, but from what I have had experience, their products are very nice. Now, this was a variation. You could have gotten the lipstick or the lip liner. I actually am happy I got the lip liner. The lipstick looks a little too dark for my features, and it looks like it's something I would not wear. And the lipstick was $2 more. So if you end up getting that, that's, yeah, that's good. So anyway, that is that. And then let's get into the final product here, which is another brand I've actually heard about, but I've never tried. This is Copper and Crane. This is a full-size product. This is $45. This is like double, almost double the price of this box. Maybe not quite double, but still. This is the Radiance Mask. Very pretty packaging here. Got this fancy lid here. So this is 3.3 fluid ounces, and it is supposed to be a radiance mask that smooths, refreshes, and rejuvenates your complexion. You're supposed to put it on and let it sit for 15 minutes, and then it's a peel-off mask. Let me see if it's sealed. It's sealed. I'm going to let it stay sealed because I have so many masks, but I am excited about this. I have a ton of sheet masks, but recently I've been much more a fan of like actual like masks that you'll apply and either wash off or peel off. So yeah, this is really, really awesome. This is also cruelty-free. So that is that entire box. And just looking at the price add up, we've got $44, $89, $90, $100. Wow, this is like $120, $125 value of a box. That is why I'm happy with this box, because in the last few I feel like Glossybox has been sending us, you know, $45, $50 value boxes with just these really weird brands that no one's heard of, and like the curation just seems off, and this curation was spot on. It had a nice mix of makeup and face stuff. It wasn't hair heavy, which I don't mind hair products, but I feel like they've been very hair heavy. This box is awesome. And because of their responsiveness about the mascara, and I have one more box coming for January because I bought it in a 3-month subscription. I'm going to give it at least through January. If they keep this up, I'm actually happy. If they revert back to what they've been doing, it's going to go on the chopping block. All right, guys. So enough about Glossybox. Let's get into the real reason that probably most everybody is watching this. The winner for my, and I don't have the palette in here because, well, actually, let me grab the palette. Okay, so it is the winner of the Sultry palette. This is my personal copy here. This is what it looks like. There's also a NYX silicone brush. So the way that you were entered in this was to be a subscriber of my channel. Leave a comment with some suggestion or thing for a QA or video. And so Anyway, I did last time I did my daughter picked it out. This time I did a random generator from the internet. And this is the winner. I've already tagged the original video, their comment with this, but the winner is Stanley Dragon Jr., who has been a subscriber of my channel for quite a while now, and regularly watches my videos. So I am very excited to have one of my long-term people win. That's very, very exciting. And so this was the comment. It highlighted it here. And I really appreciate that you watch my video, and all of you guys watch my videos and support me and leave wonderful comments and suggestions and everything. Just note for the winner, please, 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 I reached out in the original video. I'll put it down below in the description, my email address. Just send me an email. Give me the quick information on how to reach out to you, i.e. your name, your full name, so that I can mail this to you and the best address to send it to you. And then I will go over and get that going via FedEx to your place so that hopefully you can get it before Christmas. If for some reason I do not hear back in 1 week's time, I do have alternate winners picked out, so they are in line. If that happens, I will announce in another video to let that person know, but I hope that's not the case. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Happy Vlogmas Day 13, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what video I'm gonna do. It will probably be later evening when I get, because I work 9 to 5 tomorrow, so I'll let you know. But pretty much every box is coming in this week, so I have lots to choose from for content. So all right guys, thanks. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me comments.